understand what people fucking see. You gotta kick me body and punch me face. You're a disgrace to the human race. Everybody loves you, but no, 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 not me. But no, 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 not me. You can't understand what people fucking see in you. You got a monotone voice with a whiff of shit. I've heard this and that, I know you're doing it. Everybody loves you, but no, 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 not me. You're wonderful, so funny, running around the town with all your money. And it's who you met, who you know, where you went to see the show, how to get there, what to wear. You bore me to tears and I don't care. So no, 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 not me. I can't understand what people fucking see. I'm stuck in your company, there's no release. Fought to death, God kill me please. Everybody loves you, but no, 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 not me. You're a pound attractive, and quite a catch. With notches on the bedpost and scars to match. Cause you've had her, and you've had a friend. If she gets too close, it'll have to end. She'll still love you, what a mare, but I just don't care. No, 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 not me. Can't understand what people fucking see. I'd like to meet your dad and meet your mum and discuss why tigers eat their young. Everybody loves you, but no, 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 not me. Everybody loves you, but no, 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 not me. Everybody loves you, but no, 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 not me. Everybody loves you, but no, no. Everybody loves you, but no, no. Everybody loves you, but no, no, no.